Amid growing public concerns over potential disruptions to petroleum products due to the ongoing conflict in the Middle East, Manipur Department of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution (CAF&PD) has assured residents that adequate supplies of LPG and other fuels remain available in the state. Officer on Special Duty OSD POL of CAF&PD Haubam Bobby addressed the public following a surprise inspection at an Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL retail outlet of Koijam Jiten at Wangkai Ayangpali, dismissing rumors of shortages and stated that the current situation in the Middle East has not impacted fuel availability in Manipur. He informed the public not to panic due to the prevailing circumstances in the Middle East, stating that there are sufficient stocks of LPG and fuel available in the state. He highlighted that Sekmai bottling plant and state's oil depots maintain adequate reserves of LPG and petroleum products. Supplies are being regularly transported to Manipur from other regions without interruption. As a result, the ongoing development in the Middle East have not caused any immediate shortages or crisis in the state. He appealed to the public to avoid panic buying of LPG and petroleum products. He stressed that earlier, the official team had inspected retail outlets of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, and Nayara Energy Limited. Samples of petrol and diesel were collected from those sites and sent to Guwahati for testing. As part of the inspection, the team carried out surprise inspection at the IOCL retail outlet at Wangkai Ayangpali today, and that no issues were detected during the inspection till date. He further added that petrol and diesel samples collected will be dispatched for testing in Guwahati and assured that strict action would be taken based on the test results if any irregularities such as adulteration or quality lapses are detected.
Diesel amasung petrol se hujing makidi akhoi state ki oina di issue amata leijade maramdi LPG gi hairo adai petroleum products sing hairo akhoi phajana depot ta adai semi bottling plant da stock phajana leiri adai outside gi mayam am gari mayam am su hujik se lambi da leiri ba aduna mayam sing na akhoi gi issue natabada yamna panic oina pochai sing je loksan bi da na ba praja da department gi side gi yam akan ba oina request tawjari.